Hi everyone, we're going to find the equation of the tangent line at point 0, comma 1 on the graph of the parabola y squared equals 2 times x. We're going to use our equation of a tangent line at a point x sub 1, y sub 1 for this equation here, and then use this formula to find our equation of the tangent line. So basically we can start with our standard form of a parabola is y squared equals 4px. Now let's match these two up. So that would have y squared equals 4. So my p is going to have to be 1/2 to get a 2. So that gives me the 2 right there. So my p is 1/2. Also, for this, I have my x is 0 and my y is 1. All right, so now let's use our formula, and we're going to get y sub 1 times y equals 2 times p. Now let's substitute in our p. 1/2 times x plus x sub 1. All right, this part here is just going to equal x plus x sub 1. This we'll call equation 1. All right, since it passes through the point 0, comma 1, that means I'm going to have, if I substitute in 1 for my y, I'm going to get y sub 1 equals, and substitute 0 in for my x equals x sub 1. I'm going to call this equation 2. All right, from there, this also lies on the graph to use our formula. So basically, if this lies on the graph, we're going to have y squared equals 2x. So that means we're going to have y sub 1 squared equals 2x sub 1. We'll call this equation 3. Now, by 2 and 3, we're going to use substitution. So here's 2 and 3. And substitute our y. This should be y sub 1 here. And you'll get x sub 1 squared, because you have to square it here when you substitute this in for that. And then that's going to equal 2x sub 1. All right. I can move everything over and get x sub 1 times x sub 1 minus 2 equals 0. That means we have x sub 1 equals 0, or x sub 2 equals, or x sub 1, equals 2 for this equation. So when x sub 1 is 0, that means our y sub 1 equals 0. When x sub 1 is 2, we're going to get y sub 1 equals 2. All right, so by equation 1, back to this equation, we can substitute it back in, and we're going to get x equals 0, or we're going to write 2y for y sub 1 equals x plus 2. So you have actually, we found 2 equations of the tangent line. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.